Hello friends, today I am coming with the problem of lower back pain. We everyone knows that what is lower back pain, and there are lots of causes of lower back pain. It could be a facet joint arthroplasty, or could be a slip disc, or the muscle weakness, core muscle tightness, instability, SI joint instability. There are numerous of causes of lower back pain. But today I am telling you some basic general exercises of lower back pain, in which I am telling you that how to perform these exercises and how these exercises is beneficial for you. So without wasting the time, the first exercise is lie down on the bed, fold the knees and lift your back. 10 second hold, relax. Up, 10 second hold, relax. Second exercise. Put the hands over the shoulder, stand up and then rotate. 10 second hold, neutral, then rotate, 10 second hold, neutral. If this is doing in the sitting position, then it occurs on the thoracic region. But if it doing it at the standing position, then the effect occurs on the lower back and the lumbar spine. Then the third exercise is this, and then stretch your back, 10 second hold, then relax. Then stretch, 10 second hold, and then relax. Then roll the towel and lie down on the bed. Place the towel between the knees and then press. Relax. Press, hold 10 seconds and relax. Then this exercise is called the cat camel position. 10 second hold, 10 second hold, then neutral. 10 second hold, 10 second hold, then neutral. After that, flex forward, touches the toe, come back. During the forward flexion, if the pain and the numbness is occur over the leg, then it could be a anterior dislocation of the disc. Or if during the extension like this and then suddenly pain occur, that is the posterior dislocation of the disc. If this type of pains occur during the forward flexion or the backward flexion, or during the flexion or the extension, then the opposite movement you have to do for relieving the phantom. Lie down on the bed, folding your knees, then rotate. 10 second hold, relax. Then rotate. 10 second hold, relax. And lie down on the stomach, hand placed over the shoulder, and then lift the body upwards. 10 second hold, relax. Again, 10 second hold, relax. Lie down, fold, then flex. 10 second hold, relax. Then flex, 10 second hold, relax. Knee pain exercises. There are lots of causes of knee pain, but there are some of general exercises which you can do at your home for relieving your pain. But if you have any serious problem like the swelling, either the inflammation, then you have to go for the physiotherapy. The first exercises for the relieving factors of the knee pain is the sitting over the bed and extension, flexion. Extension, flexion. Then the second thing is roll the towel, place below the knee and then press through the knee, 10 seconds hold, relax. Press, 10 seconds hold, relax. Press, 10 seconds hold, relax. Then same towel, place the same leg over the ankle, 10 seconds hold, relax. 10 seconds hold, relax. 10 seconds hold, relax. If you can able to do the squat, you can do the squat at any level. Either this, either this. Which level you are comfortable, you can do that squats at that particular level. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or either 1, 2, 3, 4. Then stand over the single limb. 10 seconds hold, relax. 10 seconds hold, relax. If it is possible, then hold some object or the wall and stand over the single limb with the closing of eyes. 10 seconds hold, relax. 10 seconds hold, relax. This exercise will generate and activate your the proprioceptions, which is very necessary for the joint stability and the muscle stabilization power increment. Thank you. These are the basic exercises for the knee you can do at your home for relieving the knee pain. Thank you. For the ankle exercises, there are 4 to 5 exercises for the main basic for the ankle pain. That is the plantar flexion, dorsiflexion, plantar flexion, dorsiflexion. Foot towards yours and then downward, towards yours and then downward. Then internal and external, internal, external, internal, external. These are the ankle movement exercises and for the strengthening of the ankle, then you can place the towel over below the ankle and then press, 10 seconds hold, relax. Press, 10 seconds hold, relax. Other than that, take a towel, hold and then place over the foot and then stretch, relax, stretch, relax. And after that, place the ankle against the wall and then forward. 10 seconds hold, relax. Forward, 10 seconds hold, relax. This exercise will stretch your the plantar fascia and relieve the heel pain and the spore formation in either which causes the heel pain. This will be released by these some of basic exercises of ankle. Thank you.